Hi, it's Kari Matthews of Prairie Quilting. Today we are working on the extra project for my Once Upon a Month block of the month for September. So we're working on this table runner here. The pattern is available through my website, prairiequilting.com. And today we're going to be working on this block right here. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, for this second block, we're going to go ahead and put this, it's kind of a 9-patch that's not all even. So we're going to go ahead and just start sewing these into rows. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and connect the other sides of each row. All right, I'm going to go ahead and press toward that center block. And then we'll go out toward this kind of maroon block here for these outer rows. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. We're going to connect those two of the rows. Okay, and I'm nesting my seams because we press them on opposite directions. Okay. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and connect that last row. And I'm nesting those seams again. All right. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and we'll just go toward the center. Okay, and we're just going to build our 9-patch. Okay, so now this is the center of the 9-patch, and the next layer is green. Okay, so these long pieces are green, and then we've got some more of those maroon squares. All right, so now we're going to just do the same thing. Okay. And we'll go ahead and sew the rows together. Okay. Cool. We have the last, we're going to connect up to these rows here. Right, I'm going to go ahead and press out away from all of that bulk, okay? So toward the green for that middle section. And then I'm going to go toward the middle on these ones. Okay, so now we'll connect the two of these rows again, and we're going to nest our seams. So it's just repeating. We're just enlarging this kind of 9-patch here. Okay, and now we will connect this last row to our 9-patch, and then we'll have one more layer to add. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and press out again, and away from that bulk in the center. Try not to distort the fabric. All right, and then we have these cream pieces that will go around the edge and plum squares. Okay, So now we're going to go ahead and match up the same thing we've been doing, okay? Okay, and we're going to connect the last pieces to make these rows here. We're going to go ahead and go out away from the bulk again. Okay, and we'll go toward the center on these strips. And then once we connect these, this is our last part of the block, the last layer. Okay, so now we're gonna sew these rows together here. And you know what, I'm gonna sew it from this side, the side that has most of the seams on it. Okay, we're gonna nest our seams. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and press out toward the edge of the block. All right, and there is our block. All right, our block is finished. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you soon for another project. Take care.